Hey guys, it's Nene here. So today is April 12, 2025 and it's currently 6:08 a.m. and today we're going on an adventure. First, we'll be going to Abu Dhabi. We'll be transiting there for I think 32, 36 or 42 hours. I forgot. But I'll be flying also to Singapore tomorrow night. So yeah, come and join me guys. Terminal na ako guys. Ang bilis lang ng biyahe. Nasa mga 30-40 minutes. But from Lucille. If from house, yeah, nasa 1 hour pag sa bahay. So, we're going to row 9 to check in. We're flying with Etihad today. It's my first time flying with them. And yeah, I'm excited. Let's see what's the difference with their service from Qatar Airways. Hey guys, so I arrived in the airport already. So we're like 3 hours early, so sakto lang naman I think. And then nandito na si Bear. Woo! I remembered, sabi ko pala, bawat punta ko dapat dito sa may picture ako kasama nito ni Bear. So ayan, magpipicture ako ngayon kasama si Bear. So we're here. Dito tayo guys. Dito din yung gate natin. B6 or B5 I think yung gate natin. So yeah. Guys, I just realized concourse B din ako nung umuwi ako ng Pinas last year. So, same gates. Yeah, what a coincidence. Memories. Panira yung cellphone. Oh, let's go. Alam nyo ba guys, I think we'll be taking like a total of 4 flights. 4 flights na. Yeah, 4 flights for this trip. Grabe. So, I got my order now. I got this dulce de leche latte with whipped cream. Yeah, actually, iba yung gusto ko. Kaso kasi naka-Arabic kanina, hindi ko mabasa. So, nagsettle na lang ako kung ano yung sinabi ate, OMG. Atatawa ko, pero anyways, okay lang yun. But let's see, sana masarap. So, let's taste ice dulce de leche latte. Pero dapat double shaken espresso dulce de leche ba? Basta nakalimutan ko. Yung dapat na ordering ko. Insert ko na lang kung maalala ko. But anyways, let's taste it. It's good. Love it. Lasang-lasa mo yung dulce de leche. Nagko-compliment siya sa tapang ng espresso. Very nice. That's what I'm saying a while ago. I'll be flying with Etihad today. So, I got my boarding pass. I'll be taking like a total of 4 flights in the span of 6 days, guys. Good luck sa akin. Oh my gosh. Kaya yan. But anyways, because may connecting flight nga ako kasi sa Abu Dhabi. Usually, ang tinitake kong airlines talaga is Qatar Airways. But for now, mag-Etihad tayo kasi pricey yung flights na direct to Singapore sa Qatar Airways. And total, hindi pa rin naman natin natutry Etihad. And I think, I know and I think Etihad is also good naman. I trust this airline also. Wow, hindi ko pa natutry. But I mean, as far as I know, okay din naman yung Etihad Airways. So, why not? Let's see. So, ito yung flagship airline ng Abu Dhabi sa UAE, guys. So yeah. And then yeah, ang mahal kasi ng direct flight pa ng Qatar Airways pa Singapore. Dapat kasi kuha ko ng flight ng April 13 then 16 ang uwi ko din. Kaso ang mahal. So nag-decide na lang akong mag-transit sa Abu Dhabi. So yeah, I think that's why we're flying with Etihad today. Mas cheaper, plus hinabol ko din yung stopover program ng Etihad. O, diba? Mamaya kakwento ko pa more about doon. So, yeah. Iinumin ko muna itong drinks ko and then chill lang and then wait lang tayo for boarding. 9:45 pa naman yung boarding ko. 8:27 pa lang. So, diba? Lagi akong advance pupunta ng airport actually. Guys, awa ko dun, may ibon dun. Tapos kanina nandito siya sa ibaba din. Oh, nireport ko na siya, kawawa. Hindi siya makalabas. Hindi niya alam yung way out niya. So guys, ayun, nireport ko yung ibon. Kawawa eh. Kaya nagawa niya nila ng something dun. Parang nire-report ko pa ulit, parang tinatawanan ako. Inis. Sana i-take nila seriously kasi living thing din yung may buhay yun. Kaya ayun. So guys, here's my boarding gate. Guys, boarding na. Pila na ako. Start na ng pre-boarding. And yeah, waiting na lang kami for boarding. 9:45 yung boarding. And then ayun, can't wait. Super sleepy na ako. Gusto na mag-sleep. Mahaba pa yung araw ko today. Good luck sa akin. But yeah, wala pa naman din yung plane dun daw. Or, ay hindi, nandun na pala. Malit lang yung plane na sasakyan ko for now. But excited ako for my flight to Singapore. Because guess what? A380 yung sasakyan natin. So, first time ko yun. I think, correct me if I'm wrong, but that's the double-decker plane. So, yeah. May minamanifest pa rin ako until now. Minamanifest ko sana ma-upgrade ako ng business class. A girl can dream. But ayun, sabi ko nga, Lord, please, i-upgrade ko ang business class. Pa-birthday gift mo na yun sa akin, Lord, please. So, ayun. Okay lang po, Lord, kung yung papunta yung kung pa-uwi. Basta ma-upgrade po ang business class. Dream ko kasi makatry mag-business class or first class. But anyways, yeah.
Remember, the use of lighters, matches, or e-cigarette does not allow anywhere on board. It's within the toilet. Thank you.
Okay naman siya for economy na siya. Para siyang mga planes na sa Dubai tsaka na Air Asia, but better, I think. Yeah. Sana wala ka kami doon. Free seat pa dito sa gitna. Pero wala. Bakit na dito ng 1 hour lang naman yung biyahe. So, I think medyo full pack yung flight. But let's see. By the way, I got a window seat. Teka. Ayan. Diba? Nagbunga yung maaga kong pag-check-in. Nagawa na yung check-in na kasi. But anyways, yeah. Let's go to Abu Dhabi. See you, Abu Dhabi. That's the sound.
Ladies and gentlemen, very good morning. This is the captain speaking from the flight deck. My name is Jorge Coy. Welcome to the flight deck with the first officer.
past 12 p.m.
So guys, touchdown Abu Dhabi. So ganito na tayo sa Zayed International Airport. So pupunta na lang tayo ng immigration I think, and then kunin yung bag kasi nga lalabas tayo ng airport. Magta-transit lang tayo here for tomorrow's flight. So yeah, nice flight ahead guys. Did you know guys, this airport, as per Google and as per some sources, this airport had like $1 billion renovation last year I think, like and last quarter of 2023. It was finished last quarter of 2023. So yeah, and it's my first time here guys, so let's see. So we'll go to baggage reclaim and arrivals. Okay guys, so I'm just waiting for our baggage. I think it's arriving already as per the screen in front of me. So yeah, let's just wait. Let's go. So nakuha ko na guys, but I think we don't need the trolley anymore. Siguro alisin ko na yung trolley so we can go rebels na outside. So yeah, let's go. Guys, na-realize ko, kailangan pa pala muna natin magpapalit ng money, and then i-register ko lang yung eSIM na free for 24 hours. Then bahala na ako paano yung internet ko for my remaining hours here tomorrow. And then after nun, diretso na tayo sa hotel. So check ko na lang kung ano pa yung mga vlog ko. Basta yarn, may tour pass tayo, I mean gala pa tayo after. So I got to show you my OP. Guys, we're here. Lahat na lang peg talaga yung ganyan ako nung parang alapuno. But anyways, di ko pa naayos yung eSIM ko. I'm here in my hotel room. Check-in in Shangri-La Traders Hotel.